The toolbar. When you start Read and Write, this toolbar will appear. You can move it anywhere around the screen. If you wish, you can dock the toolbar to either side of the screen. To undock the toolbar again, simply click on this icon. You can also dock the toolbar to the top of the screen. You will see, if you click here, that a menu appears. There is an option to change the current toolbar. There is a choice of 6 different toolbars. To change to another toolbar, click on it. This is the All Features toolbar, where all the features are accessible from the toolbar. The Reading Features toolbar has the main features you will use when reading. The Writing Features toolbar has the features you will need for writing. The Research Features toolbar has the features you can use when doing research. The My Features toolbar is designed to be personalized to your specific needs. And this is the Study Skills Features toolbar, which has tools to help you when studying. If you simply click on the Read and Write icon, it will move to the next toolbar. This will show whichever toolbar you have on screen. You can change the appearance of the toolbars. To do this, select General Options here. You can choose to switch on or off any of the features in the current toolbar. This way, you can make your own toolbar that includes the features you use regularly. You can change the style of the toolbar icons by changing the icon set from Clear Style to Clear Style Color, Professional, or Fun. In addition, you can change the size of the toolbar and have text to explain what the icons are. Currently, it is set at large icons without text, but you can change it to small icons without text, small icons with text, or large icons with text. You can change the color of the toolbar here. You can open any application and the toolbar will be there, ready to be used when needed. Understanding the toolbar icons. There are various icons on the toolbars. You will not be able to see all the icons available in Read and Write unless you have the All Features toolbar selected. If there isn't enough room on the screen for all of the icons, click here to see the rest. By clicking on the icon, you will be able to access that particular feature. This is Spell Check, Prediction, Dictionary, Picture Dictionary, and Word Wizard. These 3 icons are for checking for words that sound the same, or words that are easily confused. Next is the Verb Checker, followed by the Calculator. The next 5 icons control the text-to-speech. Rewind, play, pause, forward, and stop. Next is the Screenshot Reader, then the Speech Maker, followed by the Daisy Reader and Pronunciation Tutor. This is the Scan icon, which is used to scan documents. Then the Fact Finder, Fact Folder, and Fact Mapper, followed by the Screen Masking and Speech Input. Next is the Translator and PDF Allowed. These 4 icons are color highlighters: yellow, blue, green, and pink, followed by clear highlights and collect highlights. This is the vocabulary icon. Next is the word cloud and voice note. To access the help, click on this icon, and finally, the read and write icon. Beside many of the icons, you will notice an arrow. By clicking on this arrow, you will see the drop-down menu for each feature. From these menus, you can select various options to adapt the feature.